I want to talk a little bit more about making your own knitting needles. And I'm not sure, I don't want my camera to end suddenly. So I'm going to maybe take this in two different videos. One will be the bamboo with the clay tips, and another short video after it will be the wood that you see there. So let's start with the bamboo and the clay tips. This is a piece of what is called yellow groove bamboo. This is not like your commercial bamboo needles that are carved from a much larger tree of bamboo. This is how thick the tree was. And this particular piece is a size 19 knitting needle. But I want you to know that the bamboo is hollow. And if you're going to make the needles like these double points, I used Sculpey clay for the tips. You can't assemble it like that and put it in the oven to bake the clay, because the bamboo will have air trapped inside and will explode. And these are the original, I think, firecrackers. People used to throw bamboo wood in the fire, and this little layer of tissue is usually in between the sections of bamboo. They grow in sections like that. And so you have that little fiber piece there which traps the air and they blow up. So what I had to do was I would form the tip, and these aren't completely finished yet, but I would form the tip and I would make sure there was a hole on the end of the needle. I would make a tip specifically for each needle, and then so I'd fit it all on there. I would take the tip back off, bake it, and then after it was done, fit it back on there again, only putting plain old Elmer's glue all on this fiber area. So those tips, after they were baked and dry and cooled, I glued them on for an added fit. So now there's, like on each of those tips, there's a plug of clay going down into the hole, and on ends like that, it's easy to just poke a hole through there. So you have a plug of clay going down into the needle, you have the tip fitting on there, and you have it glued in place. And bamboo grows, I have some that are almost big enough for a size 50 needle. These, that's a 19. These are size 36 double points. And yellow groove does have a yellow groove. It doesn't interfere with the knitting at all. I just made two huge teddy bear legs with these. And you may want to do a little bit of additional sanding around the edges, or a little filling in with glue. But that is one way to easily make your own double point needles in larger sizes. You need Sculpey, glue, and you would need sections of bamboo in the right size. Bamboo does grow in the United States. It's native up here in Massachusetts, or at least it survives up here. I'm not sure if it was originally native. It also grows in the South. Sometimes on eBay you can find bamboo because it's also used for fishing poles. An easy way to make long double point needles. These are about 12 or 13 inches long.